planning a fishing or boating trip. Do you like fishing?
Yes, I love it. It is very relaxing.
Let's go to the lake this weekend.
That sounds like a great idea.
We can rent a small boat there.
Is it expensive to rent a boat?
No, it is quite cheap.
Okay, we should do that then.
Do you have fishing rods?
I have one old rod at home.
I have two rods, so we are good.
Perfect. What about the bait?
We can buy some worms at the shop.
Or we can use bread for the fish.
Worms are better for big fish.
I hope we catch a big fish.
What time should we leave?
Early morning is best for fishing.
How about 6 o'clock in the morning?
That is very early, but okay.
I will drive us to the lake.
Thank you. I will bring some food.
What kind of food do you want?
Let's make some sandwiches.
Don't forget to bring water.
Yes, I will bring a big bottle.
Do we need life jackets?
Yes, safety is very important on a boat.
The rental shop gives them for free.
That is good to know.
The weather report says it will be sunny.
We should wear hats and sunglasses.
I will bring my camera too,
Why do you need a camera?
to take photos of the fish we catch.
And photos of the beautiful lake.
Maybe we can swim a little bit.
The water might be cold, but let's try.
I am really looking forward to this trip.
Me too. It will be so much fun.
Asking about the location of customer service desk. Excuse me, miss.
Yes, how can I help you?
I am looking for the customer service desk.
Oh, I can show you where it is.
Is it far from here?
No, it is quite close.
Where exactly is it?
It is near the main entrance.
On the left or right side?
It is on the left side.
Is there a sign?
Yes, there is a big blue sign.
Is it open now?
Yes, it is open until 9 p.m.
I need to return a product.
They can help you with that.
Are there many people there?
I don't think so. It looks quiet.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Requesting an assignment extension from a professor. Hello, professor. Do you have a minute?
Hello. Yes, I have some time. What is it?
I need to talk about the history assignment.
Okay, is there a problem with it?
Yes, I am not finished yet.
When is the deadline?
It is this Friday.
That is in 2 days.
I know. Can I have more time?
Why do you need an extension?
I was sick last week.
I am sorry to hear that.
I could not study well.
Did you go to the doctor?
Yes, I went to the hospital.
Do you have a note?
Yes, here is the note.
Okay, let me see it.
Is it okay?
Yes, this looks fine.
So, can I submit it next week?
You can submit it on Monday.
Monday morning is okay?
Yes, before 10 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
I will work hard on it.
Please make sure it is good.
I will do my best.
Good luck with it.
See you next week.
See you.
Asking for medical assistance for a minor injury? Ouch. I hurt myself.
What happened? Are you okay?
I cut my finger. It hurts a little.
Let me see. Is it bleeding?
Yes, there is some blood.
Don't worry. It looks like a small cut.
Do you have a bandage?
Yes, I have a first aid kit.
That is great. Can you help me?
Sure, sit down here.
Thank you. It really stings.
I will clean it with water first.
Okay, please be gentle.
I will be careful. Does this hurt?
A little bit, but it is okay.
Now I will put some cream on it.
Is that necessary?
Yes, it helps it heal faster.
All right. You are very kind.
Here is the bandage.
Can you wrap it around my finger?
Yes, does that feel too tight?
No, it is perfect. Thank you.
You should be careful with knives.
I know. I was not looking.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, much better. Thanks again.
You are welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Book a table for two by phone. Hello, is this the Italian restaurant?
Yes, speaking. How can I help you?
I would like to book a table for two.
Certainly. What day would you like to come?
Can we book a table for tomorrow night?
Let me check. Yes, we have tables tomorrow.
What time do you open for dinner?
We open at 6 p.m.
Okay. Can we have a table at 7 p.m.?
Yes, 7 p.m. is available.
Great. My name is Michael.
Thank you, Michael. A table for two at 7 p.m.
Can we sit near the window?
I will note that down for you. Can I have your phone number, please?
Sure. It is 55551
Thank you. Is there anything else?
Do you have vegetarian food?
Yes, we have many vegetarian dishes.
That is good. My friend likes vegetables.
Perfect. We will take care of you.
How many people can sit at a table?
Usually, 4 people can sit together.
Okay, just two of us are coming.
No problem. See you tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Discussing a difficult assignment with a classmate. Hi, do you have a minute?
Sure, what is up?
I am really worried about the math assignment.
Me too. It is very hard this time.
Did you start working on it yet?
No, I just looked at the questions.
Which question is the most difficult?
I think question number 5 is impossible.
Yes, I do not understand that one either.
Do you want to study together?
That is a great idea. When are you free?
I am free after school today.
Okay, let's meet at the library.
Sounds good. What time should we meet?
How about 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock is perfect for me.
Do you have your textbook?
Yes, I always bring it to class.
I forgot mine at home today.
Don't worry, we can share mine.
You are so helpful. Thank you.
No problem. We are classmates.
How many pages do we need to do?
The teacher said pages 20 to 25.
That is a lot of work.
Yes, but we can help each other.
Did you ask the teacher for help?
I asked him after the class.
What did he say?
He said to read the examples carefully.
Okay, I will try to read them again.
Maybe we can find a video online too.
That is a good suggestion.
Let's focus and finish it quickly.
I am ready to start now.
Let's go to the library then.
Asking a stranger for directions to the nearest subway station? Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
No problem. How can I help?
I am looking for the subway station.
Which station do you need to go to?
I just need the nearest one.
Okay, I know where that is.
Is it within walking distance?
Yes, it is about 10 minutes away.
Could you tell me the way?
Go straight ahead on this street.
Do I need to turn anywhere?
Turn left when you see the bank.
Is the bank a big building?
Yes, it is red and very tall.
Okay, turn left at the bank.
Then go straight for 2 blocks.
What will I see then?
You will see the entrance on your right.
Is there a map outside?
Yes, there is a large map there.
Thank you for the directions.
You are very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.